Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Declarative Academy. In today's session, we're exploring the Trailhead module, Store information about your customers. We will discuss the essentials of accounts, contacts, and how to keep them in tip-top shape. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of Salesforce Trailblazers. By the end of this module, you will be able to describe the relationship between business accounts and contacts, explain the concept of a person account, add a new business account along with its associated contact, and apply best practices for effectively managing and updating your customer records. Salesforce is all about building and maintaining great customer relationships. To achieve this, you need a reliable way to record the companies and individuals you work with. Here's where accounts and contacts come in. Accounts represent the companies or organizations you do business with. Contacts are the individual people who work at these companies. If you're selling directly to individuals, Salesforce offers person accounts, which combine account and contact details into a single record. But for this module, we'll focus on business accounts. Most concepts apply to both types. Let's walk through creating a business account in your Trailhead playground. Imagine stepping into the role of a sales representative for CloudKicks, collaborating closely with a dynamic consulting firm known as Get Cloudy. To kick off this exciting journey, scroll down to the bottom of your module page and click Launch to enter your Trailhead playground. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab. If it's not immediately visible, simply select Sales from the app picker in the top left corner. Now, it's time to create a new account. Click on New and enter the details for our partner, Get Cloudy. For the account name, type Get Cloudy, then fill in the phone number as 775-555-5309. Next, assign the account number as 117 and set the account site to single location. Select Customer. Direct for the type and consulting for the industry. For the billing city, enter Reno and set the billing state, province to Nevada. Once all the details are in place, click Save to update your changes. And just like that, you've created a brand new account record for Get Cloudy. From this central hub, you can effortlessly explore related information, including current deals, service requests, and any uploaded documents. Your journey as a sales rep is just beginning. Next, let's dive into creating essential contacts for the team at Get Cloudy. First, we'll open the Get Cloudy account record and scroll down to the Contacts section. Here, we'll click on New to add our first contact, Alan Johnson. Enter his details. First name, Alan. Last name, Johnson. Title, Sales Manager, followed by his phone number and email. Once that's done, we'll click Save and New to seamlessly move on to our next contact, Leung Chan. For Leung, we enter first name, Leung, last name, Chan, and title, Marketing Manager, finishing with his email. Finally, we'll click Save, and just like that, both Alan and Leung are now listed under the Get Cloudy account. If we navigate to the Contacts tab, we'll see them proudly displayed in our recent contacts list, ready for collaboration. Before we move on, here are some handy tips to keep your records clean and useful. Follow company naming conventions for accounts to ensure consistent record keeping and easy searching. Always associate contacts with an account so your teammates can see who they belong to. Private contacts won't be visible to others. Monitor inactive accounts and contacts, those without activity in the past 30, 60, or 90 days. They might need a different approach or might be ready to re-engage. Maintain active ownership. If someone has left your company, reassign their accounts and contacts to a new owner. Update your records often. Each time you learn something new about a lead, account, or contact, add it to Salesforce. Now, it's time to put these skills into action with the HandsOn challenge. Your task is to add a new contact to the Get Cloudy account. If you haven't already created the Get Cloudy account, plus Alan Johnson and Leung Chan, be sure to do so first. Launch your playground to follow along. Now that you're in your Trailhead playground, let's dive in. Open the Get Cloudy account. Scroll down to the Contacts section and click New. Fill in the details. Set the account to Get Cloudy. Enter Maria as the first name, Clifton as the last name, and for the title, type Regional Sales Manager. Once you've got everything in place, click Save. Great job. You've successfully added Maria Clifton as a new contact under the Get Cloudy account. Way to go. We've covered how to manage customer information in Salesforce, including the difference between business and person accounts, setting up new business accounts, creating linked contacts, and ensuring data stays accurate and up to date. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the Declarative Academy for more tutorials, and share your favorite tip or questions in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care.